Hello students, today we start the class with the fourth unit lesson tight corners. Okay, and very wonderful lesson and a nice message that author Edward Verral Lucas, I mean E.V. Lucas. Okay, he has given a nice message and he has given what are the problems we are facing at day to day's life. Okay, that's what we are going to see. And before enter into the lesson, you have to know about what is tight corner. Okay, tight corner means a difficult situation. Okay, tight corner means a difficult situation in our life. And you might have met and you will meet. Okay, and you can now you are in that place. Okay, but everyone has to cross that period, difficult situation, physically or mentally we will get. Okay, nobody can escape from this. Okay, and that is called as tight corner. Here author he has E.V. Lucas, he is the narrator. He has given his own life experience to us, how he caught in a tight corner, and from that how he had escaped. Okay, before escaping from that difficult, from that tight corner, what are the problems he met. Okay, that's what we are going to see in this lesson. In a humorous way he has given. And before you enter into the lesson, again I am telling, the narrator, the speaker of the lesson is the author E.V. Lucas, and the title tight corner means a difficult situation in our life. Okay, I hope we can understand the meaning of the title. Okay, we will see. I'll enter into the lesson. In Tight Corners, E.V. Lucas narrates the story of how he was rescued. Rescued means save, protect. Protect from humiliation. What do you mean by humiliation? Shame. Okay, shame at an action house. What do you mean by action house? Action house means that அந்த ஏலம் விடுறோன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, ஏலம் விடுற இடம் இருக்குல்ல, that place is called as action house. Okay, by a sudden stroke of luck, in an action house he was caught. Okay, but at last he was escaped by his luck only. How he has escaped, that's what we are going to see in this lesson. Let us read on and get to know how he got himself in a tight corner and found his way out of that situation. That's what we are going to see in this lesson. So in the first, just imagine there was group of people. They are discussing about what are the problems, what are the difficult situation they had met in their life. One by one they are telling, but all other friends, that E.V. Lucas friends, they are telling about their physical tight corner, but E.V. Lucas alone is going to that share his mental tight corner. Okay, and I hope you can understand the difference between physical and mental tight corner after reading the first and second paragraph. The first paragraph, the talk was running on the critical situations in which we had found ourselves, those of us whose lives were adventurous enough to comprise any. So the talk, the group of people, they were sitting and they are talking, they are discussing about their difficult situation they are meeting in their life. And okay, and the situation in which we had found ourselves. So each and everyone in that group, they are going to discuss about their tight corner. Those of us whose lives were, those of us, the people who are discussing, no, that people whose lives were adventurous enough to comprise any. So all the people in their life, they met adventurous. ஓகே, தட் அட்வென்ச்சரஸ் லைஃப், ஒரு எப்படி சொல்கிறது, ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு சாகசமே நடத்துகிற மாதிரி ஒரு லைஃப் அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருந்தது. ஓகே, and one by one they are going to share their experience. One man had been caught by the tide in Brittany and escaped by the skin of his teeth. So there was a man among the group, there was a man, he was caught by the tide. Tide, you know very well, no? What do you mean by tide? That waves. Okay, tide in waves. So what do you mean by Brittany? Brittany, a region on the coast of north. Okay, a region on the coast of north. It is in West France. Okay, it is in West France, and a man who had been caught by the tide. Just imagine waves கடையில் மாட்டிக்கிட்டா how their life will be. Okay, and escaped by the skin of his teeth. Skin of his, this is a idiom. In this lesson we have so many idioms, so be careful while reading. Skin of his teeth means very narrowly. Okay, very narrowly he escaped from the tight corner. Okay, and the next man, another had been on an elephant when a wounded tiger charged at it. So one more man, he was sitting on the elephant when he had his ride. What happened? A wounded tiger. Okay, this is his luck. If it is a good tiger, okay, a healthy tiger, now what will happen? It will attack him, but because of his good time, what happened? A wounded tiger charged at it. It is wounded tiger, so he escaped from that. See, tiger வந்து நம்மள attack பண்ணா, just imagine. A third had been on the top story of a burning house. The third man, okay, third man among the group, he is telling that he was the top of the story house when the house is burning. Okay, burning, and ஒரு நல்ல தீ அப்படி கொழுந்து விட்டு எரியுது, அதில் மாட்டிக்கிட்டான். A fourth was the Topitoad in the war. That Topitoad, you know very well, in an explosive பீரங்கி அந்த மாதிரி நம்பிச்சுக்கோ. டாப்பிட்டவுட் பீரங்கி முன்னாடி அப்படியே நின்று அவ்வளோதான், லைஃபே போச்சு, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கண்டிஷன். So these four people, from this paragraph you will come to know, these four people shared their physical tight corner, right? One was affected by, one is caught by tide, and one more man who was attacked by a tiger, and one more man who was escaped from the burning house, and one more who was escaped from the war. Okay, but four they escaped from all this tight corner. Right, see next, that our author is going to talk, but you all talk, said one of the company, as though tight corners were always physical affairs. My dear friends, you are all talking about the physical affairs, physical tight corner. நீங்கள் பேசுனது எல்லாமே ஃபிசிக்கலாக நீங்கள் என்னென்ன டிஃபிகல்ட்டி ஃபேஸ் பண்ணீங்களோ, தட்ஸ் வாட் யூ ஷேர்ட். Surely they can be tighter when they are mental. What he is coming to say, and the tightest corner I was ever in was at Christie. So he is going to share his experience that he was affected by mental. Okay, surely they can be tighter when they are mental. What he is coming to say, when compared to physical tight corner, mental tight corner is too difficult. So like that I have met mental tight corner when I was at Christie. Christie is the name of the place. Okay, in France, Christie is the name of the place. Okay, Christie's, that other people are asking very eagerly, Christie's la, what happened to you? Yes, and author is going to explain about his experience. Yes, I had been lunching rather well at a club in St. James Street with an old friend from abroad, and pausing along King Street afterwards. Okay, in Christie's, when I was having my lunch with my friend who was from abroad. Okay, and where St. James Street, what do you mean by St. James Street? Well-known commercial street in London. Okay, in London, a well-known commercial street. There our author is having his lunch with his friend who is from abroad, and passing along King Street. When they are passing through King Street afterwards, he persuaded me to look in at the sale room. His friend, when they are walking in King Street, his friend that asking him to see the action house. Okay, sale room. In action house, what they will do? They will sell all the things. Right, and the place was full. Author is looking that place, that full place was crowded with people. They are very busy with getting things in that action house. Right, and they were selling Barbizon pictures and getting tremendous sums for each. That Barbizon picture means that 19th century group of landscape painters. Okay, painters. The painting is going on in the action house, and each and that tremendous for each and every painting they are collecting tremendous money. Okay, then a very busy way that action is going on. And 2000, how it is going, 2000, 3000 for little bits of things, even for a small painting, even for a simple painting they are ready to pay 3000, 4000 like that. Okay, and forest scene, pools at evening, shepherdesses, the regular subjects, there is no that different subjects at all, that for an ordinary painting the people are ready to pay much money. Okay, like that in the sale house that action is going on, and nothing went for three figures at all. See, 4000, 3000 na that 4 digit எதுவுமே ஒரு 500 ரூபாய் 300 ரூபாய் அப்படின்னு 3 digitல it never goes at all. Well, we watched for a little while and then I found myself bidding to just for fun. So both were Arthur and his friend, both are watching, but after some time that Arthur he decided himself to bid. What do you mean by bid? Bidna என்னது ஏலம் கேட்குறது, நம்மளும் போய் ஏலம் சும்மா கேட்போம் அப்படின்னு he decided. Okay, and I had exactly, but next Arthur is coming to say about his wealth. I had exactly 63 pounds in the bank and not enough securities to borrow 500 on, and here I was nodding away to the actioner like a plutocrat. So the worth of the author is only 63 pounds. Okay, 2 digit only to 63 pounds only his worth. Okay, and here there is nobody, there is no security. If he buy any painting from that action house, no security he doesn't have. He can't borrow even a 500 rupees from anybody. This is his condition. He is very poor, and அந்த இடத்துல சும்மா நின்று வேடிக்கை பார்க்குறதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் he has that ability. அதை தவிர்த்து போய் கேட்குறதுக்கு இவருக்கு ஒன்றுமே தகுதியே கிடையாது. Okay, he doesn't have money at all, but even though he knows his condition very well, okay, he is going to bidding. Okay, he is going to bidding, he is going to play with that action house, and here I was nodding away to the actioner like a plutocrat. He is going to act as a very rich man, right? A person who conducts actions is called as actioner. He is going to enact as a rich person of high state. Okay, of high state he is going to act, and he is going to bid things. Actually he is worth for only 63 pounds. Keep that in mind. And his friend is warning him, you will get caught. My friend said to me, "Hey, don't go like this, you will get caught, you are taking risk." He is warning. But in spite of this, he is going to bid. After that only he is going to meet a problem. "No, I shan't," I said. "I am not going to run any risk." "No, my dear friend, I shan't." நான் மாட்டிக்க மாட்டேன். I said, "I am not going to run any risk." I am not going to any risk at all. சும்மா போய் இடையில மணியை மட்டும் ஏற்றி விட்டுட்டு வர போகிறேன். That's all. I am not going to buy any picture at all. See his attitude. Okay. And for a long time I didn't. For a long time he is asking, he is bidding. ஓகே, ஏலம் கேட்டுகிட்டே இருக்கான், ஆனால் எதுலேயுமே இவன் மாட்டவே இல்லை. நல்ல மணியை ஏற்றி விட்டுட்டு he escaped. ஓகே, 1500 அப்படின்னு இவன் சொல்ல, அட் லாஸ்ட் த லாஸ்ட் பர்சன் who is going to buy 2000 சொன்னா இவன் ஸ்டாப் ஆகிக்கிறது. புரியுதா? ஸோ நல்ல மணியை ஏற்றி விட்டுட்டு he will keep quiet. அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா he won't be caught by anybody. Alright, அந்த மாதிரியே செஞ்சிட்ருக்காரு. And for a long time I didn't. For a long time it went on very smoothly, and I didn't catch by anybody. And then a picture was put up, and a short red-faced man in a new top hat. So next, after a long time, they showed on picture. While showing that picture, there was a man who was a red-faced man in a new top hat. Hat, you know very well, cap. His physical appearance. some well-known dealer who had bought quite a number electrified the room by starting the bidding at a figure a little higher than any that he had yet given or that anything had reached. Okay, after some time, there a man arrived. His face was a red-faced man in a new top hat. His well-known dealer. Okay, and before his arrival, all the biddings had started at three figures. Started at three figures and ended with four figures. But he came, he electrified, he shocked all the persons in that room. How? At first itself, first எடுத்தோடனே அவர் 50 ரூபாயிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிக்காமல் 5000லேருந்து ஆரம்பித்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Okay, அந்த மாதிரி who had bought a quite a number electrified the room. He shocked all the members in the auction house by starting the bidding at a figure of a little higher than any that he had yet. இது வரைக்கும் யாருமே கேட்காத அளவுக்கு he started with a high amount. So இது கேட்ட உடனே everybody in that auction house, they were electrified, they were shocked, and there was nobody to ask against him because nobody, they hasn't money, right?